So after the pricing, we'll now create the teach your pet section. So after this, we will create a div and give it a class equal to row, padding to 5 and margin to 4. Then inside this div, we will create a div and give it a class is equal to col-lg-7 and col-md-4. Then we have the image source old dog.png and give it a class equal to image float and our sample image. So let me open this screen, and after this we have div and created div and give it a class is equal to col-lg-5. Then we have col-md-6. So now the screen will open and it will look like this. Then we have the h1 tag, give it a class equal to main h2, font weight bold, padding bottom 3. Then we have a paragraph, class margin bottom 2 and font size 20 pixels, just a phone call. After this we have another paragraph and some dummy text, and after this paragraph we will create a div and give it a class is equal to row. Then we have a grid column, create a div and give it a class is equal to col-lg-12 and padding along x-axis is 5. Then we have another grid row. Inside this, create a div and give it a class equal to row and margin bottom 3. Then inside this we will have another column and create a div and give it a class equal to col-1, and this is inside the icon, Morphism icon. Then after the first, when we have create another column and col-10, then there we have a paragraph. So this is inside the row. So let's add the second row. So create a div and give it a class equal to row margin bottom -3 like we did above. Then we have a grid column col-1 where we have the check icon. Then after this div we have create a 10 column div and where we have paragraph and this and here. So this is for the third one, create row, create a div and give it a class equal to row margin bottom -3. Then we have a grid column. So this is one column div for the icon, check icon. Then we let me refresh. Then after this we have 10 column div, create a div and give it a class equal to col-xl-10. We have a paragraph, some dummy text. So this and here, so this is inside the row and this is inside this inside the 5 column div. Then we have a row teach your pet. So our teach your pet section is also done now.